Okay, tell me your dream.
But then I switched to a different dream.
How did it switch?
It just, my mind went to a different dream. And then the other dream, it was like two, like SUVs, what are they called?
SUV?
They were parked right next to each other, but it was dark in the background. No, there was a Walgreens in the background. It was dark and they were parked in front of the Walgreens.
Who's they?
The two SUVs. And they were
They're referred to as they?
Okay, the two cars. They were parked next to each other, like really close. And it was really dark in the background and there was smoke everywhere. And then they switched to that dream about the men. And then, I don't know. Just a picture of someone laying down something.
Like Norman? Did you think I was gonna scare you? Can I scare you?
I'll tell you my dream in the morning. Recording?
Yeah.
Let me go to sleep.
I scared you.
You took the breath out of me.
So what?
You took my breath out of me.
What? I took your breath away?
Yeah.
I took your breath away?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye. No, face the camera. Wave. Bye.
You didn't even get yourself.